Alright, this is a quick video of where you tap into the sunroof wire to get your accessory wire to cut the your radio on if you're connecting an aftermarket radio. And this is a video he asked me to make. This is the wire right here that I tapped into. This is accessory wire. This is the first yellow wire sticking out on the passenger side of the fuse box. I tapped into there, soldered it, and heat shrinked it. And I'll show you that in a minute. Let me hook the voltmeter up. So I got the positive in that side. I got the negative grounded right there. And here's the voltmeter. And let me show you that this is the accessory wire. You put the key in, turn it on, you get 12 volts. And you turn it off, no power. That's the wire that you use for the accessory wire. Turn the radio on to show you.
And finding what you want in a snap will make you experience.
Radio on, radio off. Radio on.
Shopping spree just by
Radio off. And it's just that simple. You got any more questions, just let me know.